What's up, fellow traders? So we had it today, a nice reversal. We had that little dip down that I was hoping for. It didn't go quite as far down as I'd like it, to have gone. It was still beautiful, picture perfect. Like I've been talking about, see what I mean about how we're at the bottom of the trend. And they can come out and announce anything they want at any time. So you gotta have some positions. I know sometimes it hurts building positions and the market keeps kind of weeping down like it did, but here we go. Are we gonna have a follow-through day tomorrow? We'll see. The volume swelled a little bit today. Why wasn't it more? Because the reversal didn't happen till the end of the day. They didn't come out and start spitting out all that news about saving foreclosures and all that till the end of the day. So we need a strong follow-through day tomorrow with volume, and this could look promising going into next week. Give us our rally up to mid-April that I've been looking for. Grab this camera here, show you what I've seen today that I'm really happy about. Okay, we're going to start with the S&P. Number one, I want to point out, let's zoom in. Right here, see that lower wick? Super bullish. I love it. After bouncing off the 50-day, we came down, we tested. See how we're testing this drooper before we went up? We tested, then we bloop, came down and filled this gap pretty much right here. This whole trend we've been doing, we filled it. Bloop, went down there, the buyers came in, bloop. I love it. And there's our upper trend, our new trend that I've been talking about. I'm going to zoom in again. Look how we're right back, closed on the nut again. We came down through it, tested it. Volume swelled a little bit, not as much as our down day, but that's okay. That's expected. When you bounce off the 50-day, things weren't looking good 3 days ago. Here we are 2 days later. Things are looking better. They're going to save the world again. There's our lower wick. Let's hope we can bust through this. What if we get through this tomorrow? And then Monday, you know how, because now everybody's that is out and came home and heard the news, now they're tripping. See, now the emotions work the other way. We get through this tomorrow and they got a 3-day weekend to think about everything in the big G whatever meeting this weekend, 27, I don't know which one it is. That's what I'm shooting for right there. Okay. I didn't add to my position today. It was everything I owned stayed within range. Nothing dropped dramatically for me to consider up in any more positions. That's why I stayed put. Yesterday I kind of broke the rules. Like I said, I added to my positions before the Dow was at 7,500 or the S&P was under 800. That was kind of a not good, but I couldn't pass up oil down there in the 1680 range, and then Schwab at 13. I mean, I love that company. I've done some good trades. I had to pick some up yesterday. And then Disney, I wish I picked some up at 18, right around 18 this morning, but it was too close to yesterday's pickup. So that's how I do it. And like I say, and like I've read in a lot of books, the worst thing that happens when you're building a position is it takes off and you haven't completely got your full position you were hoping to get, so you make less money. But check this one out. Look at that lower wick on the Dow. I love it. And then if we get a nice up tomorrow, that'll be super bullish, kind of like a, they call it like a shooting star dojo. Really nice. I bought in a lot of stocks that form that and have made some nice runs. Okay, now I'm going to show you something why I think that 7,700 was huge today. We got where we hit the 50-day. I'm going to come down. This is where we broke through it briefly. Okay? Battled it completely right here. And then look at, that's what we bounced off of today. I know you might be wondering, well, why is he drawing a line there today? Hey, man, I'm an artist. That's what I see, and that's what I go by. There's a lot of hits. Bank, bank. That's the first bank, bank. I love that. So this could not even be here. And let's just pretend this hasn't even happened, and we just went off of here and here and just drew this line out as this started to drop. And we don't even care about this yet. And then all of a sudden it went, battled it, went through it, battled it, went through it, found support, and then found support today. Excuse me. See how it came up, banked it, went through it, battled it, went through it, boom, found support, and then bam, found support today. Tonight's going to be short and sweet, you guys. We need a follow-through day tomorrow, plain and simple. If you're trading, I hope you added to your positions today if you hadn't been adding. Today was a beautiful day. We're, within 200 points, 250 points of the low. That's the name of the game. Average in on good companies. Watch them fly. Good luck.